to Phillip Highlights. I'm Summer, and I'll be serving you the latest news of the week. Your news of business. During the May Day holiday, Chinese travelers' spending rose 8% year-on-year to 180.27 billion yuan, yet remained below pre-pandemic levels. Meanwhile, China's overall business activity lost momentum in April 2025, with the CaiXin Composite PMI slipping to 51.1 and the Services PMI dropping to 50.7, its weakest reading since September 2024. Slow growth in new orders, driven by weak foreign demand and disruptions from new US tariffs, weighed heavily on the services sector. Rising input costs, particularly wages and raw materials, added further pressure, while output prices continued to fall as firms sought to attract consumers. Business sentiment deteriorated and employment declined for the second consecutive month. Ongoing trade tensions with the US and weak external demand are expected to further strain the economy, highlighting the urgent needs for policy measures to support domestic demand and sustain growth. The US trade deficit widened sharply to a record $140.5 billion in March 2025, driven by a surge in imports as businesses rushed to beat steep tariffs, particularly on Chinese goods, which rose to 145%. Imports jumped 4.4% to a historic $419 billion, while exports edged up only 0.2%. This imbalance dragged GDP into negative territory, with the trade deficit cutting 4.83 percentage points from growth and leading to a 0.3% annualized contraction, the first in 3 years. While economists expect imports to decline by May 2025, potentially supporting a second quarter rebound, falling exports and reduced tourism due to a global backlash over tariffs and US policies could limit the recovery. As global markets grapple with heightened uncertainty, we emphasize the importance of diversification and a focus on quality amid volatility. While this year is expected to be more favorable for investment than the previous year, it is important to stay watchful for any market volatility. Phillip Capital Malaysia provides a comprehensive list of products, including discretionary prime managed accounts and unit trusts that offer to retail investors, high net worth individuals, corporations, and institutions. Whether you want to DIY, seek for advice, or let expertise fully handle your portfolio, our platform can cater to your needs and preferred way to achieve your financial goals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by Phillip Capital, your partner in finance.